Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Clixtell Promotions. Clixtell is a software as a service company that provides advanced solutions for businesses and digital marketing agencies, specializing in detecting and preventing invalid click activity in Google Ads and Bing Ads campaigns and call tracking services. Conversion Intelligence. With our Conversion Intelligence, you can track all types of conversions, from web forms to phone call leads, enabling you to focus only on what's really converting and spend your budget only on what's really working, so you can easily maximize ROI. Device ID Blocker. Clixtell analyzes large quantities of data in real time. The source of the click, the identity and behavior of the online visitor, and the type of device the clicks are coming from. Then, Clixtell generates a device fingerprint, a unique ID number of 26 characters for each device each click came from. Don't compromise on the quality and capabilities of your Google Ads protection software. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Clixtell and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.